In this video, I want to show you how you can install Antigravity Chrome extension. So if you tried searching for it in Chrome Web Store and you wasn't able to find it, I'm going to show you in this video how you can find it actually. This extension is super useful because it lets you open any website directly in Antigravity. I found that you have to write it in browser exactly as I wrote. So Antigravity extension Chrome, and now you can open the first link and you can see this is the official Antigravity browser extension. You can click on add to Chrome. It can read and change all of your data on all websites. So if you click on add extension, you can see the extension has been added. Now, once the extension is installed, if you click on this Chrome icon in Antigravity, it's going to redirect you to this page where you can see some kind of preview. What can it do? So the agent can basically click around the site by itself. It can scroll, type, and you also have some example use cases over here. So you can, for example, monitor dashboards, quality assurance testing. So this is what we can try. So we can test our functionality of my own app. I'm currently running it locally, so I can show you. This is it. This is my simple to-do list. So I can add task and I can basically check it if the task is completed. We can ask Antigravity to make some kind of functionality test on our app. I added this really simple prompt where I want to test the functionality of my app, and I pasted my URL so we can send this. So you can see the agent is automatically like adding the task. Now it should check the task if that's working. And the thing wasn't completed because I'm getting agent terminated error. So in my case, I can't show you the whole example, but it would work. It would automatically check the task, then it would delete the task, and so it would test every functionality of the site. And that's basically how you can, for example, use this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.